Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Sold 123. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. I got this funky Honda Accord, guys, a funky Honda Accord, under 100,000 miles, rust free, beautiful car, old schooler, vintage, whatever you want to call it. It's a 2000 Honda Accord, 4-cylinder, a lot of service records. Florida car, guys. Take a look. I know what you're gonna say, Mark. Why do you have this car? Well, because that's what I do. I find this rare funky cars with a nice body, with a nice undercarriage, with the low miles, with a beautiful Carfax, and we offer it for you because these cars, I think, more reliable, affordable, and bring out some old school memories, to tell you the truth. So let's start. I got this pair of keys over there. Can you hear him? All right, so let's start from the front. All right, guys, we have this bunch of parakeets flying around in that tree. Okay, look at that. Or maybe it's not a parakeet, but I think it was the green ones. Okay, so we got a front, nice headlights, nice minor rock chips on the hood. Take a look. Okay, nice bumpers. You got a beautiful tires. All right, it's Fusion tires, touring. Okay, 195 65 15. Spread is good. We got a beautiful bottom of the car. Beautiful, guys, you ain't gonna find this. Beautiful bottom of the car. You got mirrors, not cracked. Look at that. Look at that door panel. Nice bluish interior. Look at that dashboard, guys. Look at it. Not even a scratch on it. Look, 91,000 miles with the nice steering wheel, with these amazingly comfortable seats that they used to make. Look at that, the book and everything. Okay, nice carpets. No, I don't see anything. Look at these carpets. I don't see anything. Everything is original. Like, guys, look at the Carfax. It has amazing service records. People really took care of that car. Look at the window works. That's lock and lock. Okay, now another door. Look at that. This door panel in beautiful condition. Look, not even a scratch. I think nobody was sitting at the back seat. That's what I think. Look at these carpets. You see how passionate I am about this car? It's like more passionate if I would have like a BMW M3 or something. Okay, because these cars you won't be able to find them. We got this Michelin tire in the back. Take a look at this bottom piece. Look at that bottom, guys. Look at this. Gorgeous. Okay, we got nice windows, no tints. All right, some scratches on the trunk. Look at that. All right, some scratches. Let's go on the bottom here. You got some touch-ups on the bumper. Okay, guys, don't forget that's a 2000. We're in the 2025. All right, we're in 2025. This car is 25 years old. Now, don't forget how you look like when you were 25. That's a joke. Okay, so we got this, we got that. Hey, Ramos, give me a second, guys. We had some cars delivered, so I had to pick up the keys. Okay, so all the windows, guys, everything works. Okay, once again, double check all the service records on the Carfax. Beautiful service records. Go look, 91,000 miles. Once again, nice steering wheel, no cracks, dashboards. Everything looks good. All right, gonna open up the trunk space quick. Look at that. Everything as it should be. Look at that. Look at this floor trunk. Look at it, original. Amazing. Whoever had this car, God bless him. God bless him, for real. Because he took care of it, a Honda Accord. He took care of a Honda Accord since 2000 till now. All right? So you gotta give him something. You got original Honda windshield. Look at that. That's only tell you something. People took care of the car. Look at that. Like a clock, guys. One of the best engines ever. Got the VIN numbers right there. VIN numbers right here. Beautiful. Now, guys, friendly disclosure. This vehicle sold as is. Taxes, fees, registration not included in price. Shipping $1 to $1.50 a mile. We could do all your documents remotely through DocuSign. And what else? And you're gonna be happy. That's the bottom line. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please call us. God bless and bye bye.